I'm Pam Richardson, Interim Dean of the College of Health and Human Sciences at San Jose State University. We're very excited that you have applied to study at San Jose State in one of our dynamic programs. We're the place for you if you care about the health of people and communities. We have excellent programs in nursing, social work, public health, recreation, kinesiology, nutrition, food science, packaging, and hospitality, tourism, and event management. Our undergraduate degree programs prepare you for a variety of rewarding career paths and will give you a strong foundation to pursue graduate study in any health profession you choose. And our master's and clinical doctorate programs in audiology, occupational therapy, dietetics, nursing, social work, and public health allow you to advance your skills and your career. Our graduates are an important part of the healthcare workforce in the Bay Area and throughout California. We have thousands of alumni who have fulfilling and meaningful careers working with people of all ages in hospitals, clinics, schools, social service agencies, public health departments, athletic clubs, research labs, sports facilities, corporations, hotels, parks and recreation programs, and many more. Some of our alumni will be your instructors, as many of them return to us to educate the next generation of San Jose State students. In the College of Health and Human Sciences, we're especially proud of the many opportunities for hands-on learning, both on and off campus. Our faculty all have extensive practice experience in their fields, and they bring that experience into their teaching. All of our programs include internship placements in one of our many partner institutions in the community. On campus, our research labs, simulation labs, and clinics also provide active learning experiences. Through our International Experience program, you will be able to earn credit towards your degree in study abroad courses taught by our faculty, who provide cultural immersion experiences that expand your knowledge about health and social problems and practices around the world. Many of our classes are small, and you'll be able to actively participate and develop strong relationships with your faculty and classmates. Our faculty consider themselves to be mentors as well as teachers, and they will provide guidance on selecting the right career path and supporting you in your transition into your professional life. Employers love our graduates, and they tell us over and over that San Jose State graduates are consistently some of the best prepared that they are. Our students are bright, energetic, passionate, and they are committed to making a difference in the health and well-being of their communities. Our many active student organizations provide opportunities for community service, professional development, social networking, and fun. Many of our students also participate in research with our faculty in a wide variety of projects, in labs, in clinics, and in the community. There are so many ways to get involved, and we hope that you will take advantage of many of them. Please visit our website at www.sjsu.edu/chhs, where you can find more information about the college and links to our social media and to each of our departments. We look forward to seeing you on campus and welcoming you to the College of Health and Human Sciences family.